Hello everyone, welcome back to Nirja Education. Today in this video, we are going to discuss a very basic concept of grammar and the topic is singular and plural nouns. Yes, today in this video, we are going to learn about singular and plural nouns. So first, we should know the meaning of singular and plural, right? So singular means one in number, any person or anything which is one in number, so it is singular. Then more than one in number, अगर एक से ज़्यादा है then it is plural. Only countable nouns can have plural forms. Uncountable nouns they do not have plural forms. तो जिस चीज़ को हम काउंट कर सकते हैं, जो भी काउंटेबल नाउन्स है उन्हीं के प्लूरल फॉर्म्स हो सकते हैं, ठीक है. अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स फॉर्म्स नहीं हो सकते. There are certain rules for changing singular into plural form. So in grammar there are certain rules to change singular into plural forms. So in this video we will discuss those rules and formations and they are very much simple. So now let's see formation of plurals. So what we have to do, first we have to add s to most of the nouns. We just simply have to add s to the nouns. For example, here you can see bag, so the plural form will be bag. So here we add s. Then another example is dog and we just add s. Then next is we have to simply add s to the nouns that end with vowel o. ऐसे nouns जो o से खत्म होते हो उसके पीछे हमको s लगाना है, ठीक है. For example, bamboo, right? तो see it ends with o, so we will simply put s. Then another example is photo. So here also you can see it ends with o, so we will put s. The next is we have to add s to some nouns that end with vowel plus y. हमें ऐसे nouns के पीछे s लगाना है जो एक vowel और y लेटर के साथ खत्म होता हो, ठीक है. उसका जो लास्ट लेटर है नाउन का वो y होना चाहिए और उसके पहले वाला जो लेटर है वो क्या होना चाहिए, कोई भी vowel होना चाहिए. Let's see some example. Here you can see boy, right? So this is vowel and it ends with y. So here we will add s. Then here is the donkey, right? The spelling donkey, it ends with y and in front of the y it is e. So it is also a vowel. So we will put s. Next is we have to add s to some nouns that end with f letter. ऐसे nouns के पीछे हमें s लगाना है जो f लेटर से खत्म होते हो, right? For example, hoof. So it ends with f letter, so we will put s. Then next is roof. So roof भी f से खत्म होता है, so we will put s. So this is one method how we can convert a singular into a plural form. Now second we have to add es to the nouns that end with double s, x, ch और sh. मतलब हमें उन नाउन्स के पीछे es लगाना है जो डबल s, x, ch या तो फिर sh से ख़त्म होते हैं, उनके एंड में ये इतने लेटर्स आते हो. वैसे नाउन्स के पीछे हमको क्या लगाना है, es. So let's see some examples. Princess. So here you can see it ends with double s. So हम क्या करेंगे, उसके पीछे es लगा देंगे. Then next is box. So here you can see it is x. So we will put es after x. Then here you can see watch. तो यहाँ पे ये noun ch से खत्म हो रहा है. So we will put es. Same way here wish. So wish में भी s, h ऐसे खत्म हो रहा है, तो हम यहाँ पे पीछे es लगा देंगे. Then next is we will add es to the nouns that end with consonant plus o. ऐसे नाउन्स के पीछे हम es लगाएंगे जिसके लास्ट लेटर में एक कॉन्सोनेंट आता हो और उसके पीछे o लिखा हुआ हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मॉस्किटो. सो हियर यू कैन सी वन कॉन्सोनेंट t and after that there is o. So we will put es in this spelling. Then hero. So here also you can observe r, it is a consonant and after that o is written. So here we will put s. So this is one method through which we can change a singular into a plural form. Now Third one is we can change the letters of the noun and we can convert a singular into a plural form. So now let's see how we can do this. So we can change the ending consonant plus y to ies in a noun. So हम क्या कर सकते हैं कि जो नाउन है, ऐसा नाउन जो एक कॉन्सोनेंट और y लेटर से एंड हो रहा है, तो उसको हम चेंज कर देंगे ies फॉर्म में, जब उसको हम प्लूरल फॉर्म में लिखेंगे तब. सो लेट्स सी सम एग्जांपल्स लाइक लेडी. सो हियर यू कैन सी दैट लेडी, दिस वर्ड एंड्स विथ y, राइट. सो यहाँ पे y की जगह हम क्या लिख देंगे, ies, because this is one consonant and this is letter y. Same way, another example, city. So here this is one consonant and plus y. So we will write ies in the plural form. Then next is we can change the noun which ends with f or fe to ves. तो ऐसे nouns जो f या तो फिर fe से end होते हो, राइट, उस नाउन को हम क्या करेंगे, जब प्लूरल फॉर्म में लिखेंगे तो वहाँ पे हम क्या लिखेंगे, ves. We will write ves instead of f or fe. Let's see. So here you can see wolf. So this noun ends with letter f. So instead of f we will write ves. Next example is knife. So here it ends with fe. So we will write ves in its plural form. The next is we will change the inside vowel of a singular noun. तो इसमें हम क्या करेंगे कि कोई नाउन होगा उसके अंदर जो वॉवल्स है, राइट, उसको चेंज कर देंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू कैन सी हियर मैन, राइट. सो हियर द इनसाइड वॉवल इज ए एंड वी विल चेंज इट टू ई. सो द प्लूरल फॉर्म ऑफ मैन इज मैन. देन फुट. So here you can see two vowels are there. So we will change both of them and instead of O we will write double E. So foot, it is the singular noun and feet, it is the plural noun. Same way tooth. So tooth is a singular noun and teeth, it is a plural noun. Dear children, there are some exceptional cases also. So now let's see. Some nouns do not follow any of these rules as they have their own plural forms. It means that some of the nouns, they do not follow any of these rules, right? They have their own plural form. So let's see some examples. First, you can see here the child. Child is a singular noun. Children, it is a plural noun. You can see here we didn't add s or ies or ves, nothing, right? Here it is totally different. From child it is converted into children. The next is cactus. So cactus is a singular form and cacti, it is a plural form. Then ox. Ox is a singular form and oxen, so it is a plural form. So here we can see that it do not follow any of the previously mentioned rules, right? It is totally different. The next is some nouns do not change in their plural form. It means they do not have any plural form. For example, ship. So the plural form of ship is also ship. Then deer. So the plural form of deer is also deer, means in singular form as well as in plural form we will write it same only. Then next is some nouns are always used in their singular form, right? तो कुछ nouns ऐसे होते हैं जो हमेशा singular form में use होते हैं. So let's see some examples like furniture, knowledge, advice, information. These are some words which are always used in singular form. Same way, there are some nouns which are always used in plural form. So let's see some examples like scissors, spectacles, jeans and species. So such kind of words, they are always used in plural form. So dear children, I hope that the concept of singular and plural nouns is very much cleared in your mind. So this was all about singular and plural nouns. So I hope that whenever you are reading or writing the grammar portion and especially the singular and plural nouns, you will follow this and you will always remember that what are the rules and formation of plural forms. So I hope that you all like this video. So please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and to press the bell icon. Thank you.